Hello and welcome back. This is our third video on the subject of subtracting real numbers. And in this video we will focus specifically on problems that require us to subtract a negative or minus a negative. So let's start with 9 minus negative 6. Okay, according to the rules of the one rule basically of subtraction with real numbers, you're going to add the opposite of the second number, and that will lead to our plus a positive. But students often wonder why that concept works. So let's use the bank account example again. If you have $9 in the bank on one day, okay, and then you were to get in your bank account the opposite of 6, then what would you have in your bank account? Here's 6. Here's the opposite of 6, which is negative 6. So, if you're going to subtract the opposite of 6, then you're going to incorporate another opposite. 6, the opposite of 6, and the opposite of that leads you back to a positive 6. So hopefully you'll be able to visualize that when you see a minus, it basically means the opposite. You put it in front of a 6, you have a negative 6. You put another one there, you have a positive 6 again. So our shortcut way of dealing with that is just to add a positive. And our answer there is 15. Positive 15. 9 plus 6 is 15, and you take the sign that both of the numbers have, and both of the numbers are positive. Okay, let's do another one. Minus 10.5 minus the opposite of 11. Or negative 10.5 minus the opposite of 11, minus negative 11. I interchange the words opposite and negative often because technically you're going to be doing the same thing. Negative technically means the opposite of the positive number on the number line. So it might help if you were to use the word opposite. It would get you in the habit of being able to visualize it. So we're going to start by adding. According to the one subtraction rule, we've turned this into an addition problem. So now we're doing addition. And addition would state us to take the difference and then use the sign of the larger number. And when we're taking the difference, we're just going to subtract. So 11.0. Since we have a decimal here, we'll just add the 0.0 to make it easier. The answer is 0.5. The common sign, the sign of the larger number is positive, so our answer will be a positive 0.5. And there you have it. That's our discussion on minus and negative. And stay tuned for the next video. We're going to actually do a review. And just quickly do a couple of problems that cover adding and subtracting negative numbers without any explanation, just quick review. And then after that, we'll get into multiplying and dividing real numbers. So, thank you and see you in the next video.